Hey Tech Library viewers, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, how to know if your iPhone had been hacked. So, as more and more internet threats are appearing, the problem of protecting an individual's data is becoming more significant today. We're going to start? To start with, go to Settings Battery to check the battery usage of your iPhone. If your iPhone's battery is draining out faster, then there might be a malware running in the background. Checking the battery usage of the apps is also important in any iPhone model in order to determine if there is a malware present in the system. Now, try touching the screen of your device. It may be warm or hot, depending on usage. If your device is excessively hot, you have other processes not known to you running, and that's a sign that your device is infected. Now, let me take you to your apps. You go to Settings, and then General, then iPhone Storage, and go through the list of installed apps. In case you find any app you never installed, uninstall it right away. Check your data usage. Get to the home screen by clicking Settings and then Cellular, and see if there is a spike in data consumption, because hackers use this to send the information found in your phone. Are your contacts getting notification or text or email from you that they never signed up for? This could also be alarming that your phone has been cloned. Find out the green or orange-colored dots on the top of your screen. They show you that your camera and microphone is active. You are simply using an app that requires it. You could be spied. It is always advisable to use the updated iPhone. Always you can check the iOS version by going to the Settings, General, Software Update. Make sure you are using the newest version, maybe has security patches for new threats. Switch Apple ID password. Ensure that it is strong and different from other passwords. Follow the step settings, your name, password and security to change your password. This may help shelter your account from hackers. If your iPhone still feels compromised to you, you can perform a factory reset. In this case, it is suggested to back up your data to iCloud or your computer and go to Settings. General. Reset. Erase all content and settings. Subsequently, reset your iPhone from the backup. Well, I think that is all for today's video. If this information was useful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe with Tech Library for more tech videos and do's and don'ts. Thank you and do have a great day. Have a good day and see you in the next video.